Today we'll show you how to fix OBS audio not recording. Okay, just follow the steps, so don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your OBS studio and okay, like this. And okay, finally you have this like this. Okay guys, you don't have this, you have like this. 1 second to show you. You have like this. Okay, not recording, this is audio, and you don't have any problem. Okay, just the first go to setting and go to this is audio like this and click this and go to default and this mic. Just here click you are like you are cask, like you are a camera, like you are microphone. You can choose what you want. Okay, just click like this and okay, finally now always this is default this is a default too. Okay guys, okay, after this apply and go okay and go here and go to property and choose your microphone. You need to record it with it. Okay, just like this record. Okay, and now finally it's recording. It's okay. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.